In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase crypto in Canada using Coinbase. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newcomer to the exciting world of cryptocurrency, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. By the end, you'll be equipped to buy your first digital currency with confidence. To get started, you'll need to sign up or log into your Coinbase account. If you don't have an account yet, the sign up process is straightforward. Simply visit Coinbase's website or download their app and follow the steps to create your account. You'll be asked for some basic information, so have your details handy. If you're logging in, just use your existing credentials to access your account. Once you're in, the next important step is to complete the ID verification. This step is crucial for both security and regulatory compliance. Coinbase needs to ensure it's you and not someone else trying to access your funds. They typically require some form of photo identification, like a driver's license or passport. Follow the instructions provided and make sure your ID is clear and legible to avoid any delays. With your ID verified, it's time to link a payment method. Coinbase offers several options like Interac e-transfer, debit card, or EFT. To do this, head to the menu represented by three horizontal lines in the top left corner. From there, navigate to Account and Settings, select Payment Method, and choose Add Payment Method. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely connect your chosen financial method. Make sure your payment method supports transactions with Coinbase to avoid any hiccups. Now that your payment method is linked, return to the home screen. Here you will find options to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Tap on Buy, which will guide you to the next step in your purchasing journey. At this stage, you'll need to choose which cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Coinbase offers a range of options from popular ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser known altcoins. Take your time to research and decide which currency aligns with your investment goals. Once you've made your selection, proceed to the next screen. Here, you'll enter the amount you wish to purchase. Coinbase will display the current value and fees associated with the transaction. Review these details carefully to ensure you're comfortable with the terms. Fees can vary, so understanding them will help you make an informed decision. Finally, once everything looks good, confirm your purchase. Your selected cryptocurrency will then be added to your Coinbase portfolio. Remember to keep track of your investment and consider the security of your account by enabling two-factor authentication. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of purchasing crypto in Canada using Coinbase. Keep this guide handy for future reference and happy trading as you explore the vast world of digital currencies.